The good thing also about standard templates in Power BI is, for example, in this visualization, maybe it's very useful, but you want to keep it for internal purposes. Maybe your management told you that or asked you to keep that information for us. It's very valuable. We have plenty of information, but we do not want to report the weekly allocations to the client. It's something like it will open the doors for more questions and concerns. Very easy. You can duplicate maybe another page and call it activity percentage consultant or for submission or something consultant. And I'm gonna have the same chart with the same everything, but I'm gonna remove that. So the good thing is if you are doing that manually, which we all do at some point before we use Power BI, you're gonna duplicate everything. You're gonna maybe submit, you're gonna prepare the reports twice, you're gonna submit the analysis, you prepare the analysis twice, you're gonna have a duplicate of everything, but in Power BI, you do the work only once, and with minimum effort, you can have versions or alterations of the original work, which is great. So you can also have in Power BI maybe 10 pages, or later on we will compile all pages in one page, like here, for example. So we're gonna use, so later on we will not have to refer to each page. We're gonna keep everything under one page. And we're gonna have two dashboards, one dashboard for the internal usage and one dashboard for the maybe client submission with minimal effort.